Welcome again to Budget with Brian. Today, what I'd like to talk about is Wago fixings for cabling. I'm doing a bit of cabling at the moment, and I use these push-on fittings that work with 1.5, 1mm and 2.5 twin and earth type cable. When I buy these, I usually buy them in smaller quantities, but just recently I've noticed on the internet a package of a complete set of them in a Sortimo mountable box. This one will be called Wago. But for example, I have Bosch tools and they come in the kind of boxes that clip together. They're also made by Sortimo, and I can build up a stacking system. Might be multicoloured, but they all clip together. When I looked at these on the internet, I saw that Screwfix do this same package at considerably more money. Let me point you to Screwfix's site below, but here I bought these on the internet for about £60–70 less, and again the link is shown below. So I've not opened it yet, prepared to be amazed. Let's have a look and see what's inside the cardboard box. What we have is a cardboard box within a cardboard box. And let's open this one. But look at that! Ta-da! Here is your Sortimo box with Wago all over it. And if you open it up, there they all are. And they're all in individual packets again. Like so. And if I open, got to open one up. There they are. Now this one will take 6 cables, but unlike the others that will be in this package, they won't. It doesn't have the clips to be able to take the cables out again. You've got to cut the cables, and if you've got to cut the cables, you leave a bare end, and that's not safe. So when you use one of these ones, you have to be sure that your connection is good and permanent. Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian, and don't forget, look us up on Instagram, Twitter or Facebook, and of course if you've got any comments, look below, and don't forget to subscribe.